Good morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome back in our today's maths session. I hope children you all are enjoying maths. In the previous class we have learnt addition by counting forward. And today we are going to learn something more interesting. So all are going to pay attention. Now I am going to show you a picture. Now look at the screen children and tell me what you all can see. Yes dear children. Yes, here we can see many rectangles. Very good. Are all the rectangles same in colors? No. We can see red color and yellow color rectangles. Okay children. So we can see one red rectangle, one yellow rectangle, one more red color, then again yellow color, again red color and again yellow color rectangle we can see here. So children, rectangles alternate between red and yellow we can see on the screen. So children, here we can see patterns. Now children, do you all know what is called patterns? Patterns means what? Yes, patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects or numbers are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. To make you more understand, I will show you many more examples. So today we are going to learn patterns. Our today's topic is patterns. Now children, patterns we can see all around us. Patterns we observe in things around us. Now you just look at the screen. See, here we can see a pattern bed sheet. Here on the bed we can see a bed sheet which has pattern. See? So we observe in things around us. Patterns we can see everywhere. Look at here in shorts also we can see different pattern. Pattern means the things are arranged repeatedly in a particular way. Okay children. So see here, look at the picture. See the different patterns we can see here. So patterns we observe in things around us. Now children, if you look at our nature, you can find here also pattern. Now look at the screen. Here we can see flowers. Can you all see flowers on the screen? Yes. And we can also see flowers in pattern. Like first of all we can see red color, then white color, again red color flowers, again white color flowers, again red color, then white color flowers and red color flowers. So these flowers are arranged in patterns. So here also in the nature we can see a pattern. I hope children you all are understanding. Alright children, let's see the next picture. Look at here. What is this children? Yes, a beautiful rainbows. Here, when we can see rainbow in the sky? Yes, mostly in the rainy season. So here also we can see pattern children, see. Rainbow has how many colors? Yes, it has 7 colors. Okay children. So it has also pattern. You all can see here. Now as you can see in the picture, we see patterns everywhere. See, you can see in the picture all the things are arranged repeatedly in a pattern. Okay children. Now teacher will give you more examples to make you understand. Now children, look at here. We can see owl. Yes. Then parrots. Again owl. Again. The next picture, what should come there? Yes. What will come children? Here we can see a pattern of birds. They are sitting in a particular pattern. Okay children. So here what will come? Here will come. Who will tell? Yes. Here will come a parrot. So here we have completed a pattern. Now here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here the numbers are increasing by adding 1. So they are also arranged in a pattern. See, we have added 1 to a number to get the next number. So this is also called a pattern of numbers. Okay children. So here you can see the numbers are in reverse order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and what will come next? Yes, number 4. So children, here we have subtracted 1 from the number. So the numbers are arranged in the reverse order. It is also called a pattern. Now look here. What comes next? Okay. Now here you can see one candy, ice cream, lollipop. Okay. Then again the same things you all can see. Then can you all tell me what will be the next children? Yes. Then a lollipop. Then a ice cream. Very good. Here we have completed the pattern. Now what comes next? Can you all tell me? 2 leaves. Yes. What will be the next then again? Yes. Again we will see a shell and 2 more leaves. Now here we will see the patterns in the numbers. What are the missing numbers? 8, 9. What comes the next children? Yes. Who will complete this number pattern? Yes. Here we have increased one number and completed our pattern. Okay. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 12 and 12 plus 1 30. Now See here in the shapes also we can see a pattern. 2 triangles, 1 circle, 1 triangle, 1 circle, 1 triangle and 2 triangles. Okay children. So here also we can see the pattern in shapes. Now children, complete number pattern. Here the numbers are written in the reverse order. If you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get your answer. So here comes first 12, then 11, then what will come? What will be the next number? Yes children, all of you think in your mind and get ready with your answer. Yes, here will come 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. Here we can see pattern of number 5. Now see, after number 5 you can see 10, means 5 pattern of number 5 we can see here. 5 number are added here. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So this is a number pattern. See, here we can see different shapes in patterns. Okay children. This is also a pattern. 2 standing line, 1 slipping line, again 2 standing line, then 1 slipping line. See here a number pattern. Now the first number is written in first apple is 2. Then if we add 2, then it will be 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So here is a number pattern. Children, when objects are repeated in definite order, they form a pattern. Is it clear to you all? Okay, see here we can see bangles or a circled shape object. Okay, and they are arranged in a particular pattern. When objects are repeated in definite order, they form a pattern. I hope children you all are understanding. Okay children. Now complete the pattern. Now I am going to show you many more pictures which are going to complete with the correct pattern. Now children, look at the screen. Here comes first rectangle, then star, then rectangle. What will be the next shape? Yes, who will tell? Here will come, yes, a star. Very good children. Now look at the second one. 2 oval shapes, then a triangle. Then what will be the next? Yes, one more triangle. Yes, very good. Now children, see the next one. Here is one rectangle. Then one more rectangle which is slipping. And what will be the next? Next will be again a standing rectangle. Very good. Then will come slipping, again standing, then again, yes, again slipping. So here comes a rectangle. Now look at the fourth one. Complete the pattern, children. Here will come a green color. Yes. And the last fill in the blank. Here will come, yes, a standing circle which is in oval shape. Very good. I hope children you have understood. Let's see the next one. Now circle the option that will complete the pattern. Now see, you can see ice cream cones. The first one is, yes, see the direction. Okay children, so which one will come next? We have to circle the correct option. Yes children, think, tell me what will come next. Yes, and here is our answer. Very good children, you all are very clever. Keep it up. Now see the second picture. Here is a lollipop. Okay, tell me what will be the position of the lollipop. Yes. Okay, just see the answer. Very good children. Now a leaf, flower, leaf, and what will be the next? A flower. Very good. Well done children. Now see the next one. Now your favorite one children. Look at these shapes carefully and fill the color that is repeated or comes in next row. Here we are going to complete the pattern by coloring. Okay. So first row we can see squares. Okay children. So first is colored with red. Then next black. Again red. And then again what will be the next? Which color? Yes, red color. Very good. Now look at the second row. 2 circles, 1 rectangle. Again 2 circles, 1 rectangle. Now 2 circle. First which color will give? First circle color with blue color. Very good. And then the next circle color with pink color. Okay children. And the rectangle you have to color with, yes, yellow color. Very good. Now look at the third row. See, 2 colors, triangle, 2 stars, again triangles, again stars. So here fill in the color, yes, orange color and one more orange color. Okay children, here we have completed the pattern. I hope you all have enjoyed. Now, well done children, very good. Clap for yourself. You all are very clever and you all are doing very well in maths. Now children, teacher wants to give you some homework. Okay, which you are going to do in your rough book. Okay, so this exercise, you have to complete the exercises given in the following slides in your notebook. Okay children, so first you will, question 1, complete the given pattern. Here you can pause the video and you will complete the given pattern in your notebook without taking anybody's help. Will you do children? Very good. And number 2, draw and color the objects that comes next in the given pattern. I hope children you will enjoy doing your homework and all are going to do the homework sincerely, because in the next period I am going to ask you for this. So will you all do your homework children? Very good. I hope you all have understood today's topic, patterns. Now children, we are going to learn how to count the numbers 201 to 250. And also children, you are going to write these numbers in your notebook. Okay children, look at the screen. 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Children, you all are going to write neatly in your notebook and you will keep revising the numbers every day. Okay children. Now children, today also we are going to learn number names from 201 to 210. How to read 201? TWOHUNDRED ONE 201. 202. TWOHUNDRED TWO 202. 203. TWOHUNDRED THREE 203. 204. TWOHUNDRED FOUR 204. 205. TWOHUNDRED FIVE 205. 206. TWOHUNDRED SIX 206. 207. TWOHUNDRED SEVEN 207. 208. TWOHUNDRED EIGHT 208. 209. TWOHUNDRED HUNDREDNINE. 209. 210. TWOHUNDREDTEN. 210. Okay children, so today we have learnt about patterns and also numbers from 201 to 250 and number names from 201 to 210. Okay children, so you all will keep revising. I hope you all must have understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you so much children, and see you soon in the next session.